In this video, I'm drawing an eye from scratch. No polish, no shortcuts, just the process. I start by sketching simple shapes to create a basic guide. This step matters because if your proportions are off here, fixing them later becomes painful. After that, I look at my reference and block in the overall form of the eye, the angle of the eyelids, the depth of the eye socket, the direction of the gaze. All of that gets decided right here. Before adding any detail, I focus on the big forms, because detail always sits on top of structure, and without structure, detail is meaningless. Once the light and shadow are in place, I move on to the eyelashes and the iris details. I don't rush this part, because drawing an eye requires patience. Toward the end, I make small adjustments to bring everything together. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is to show the process clearly. If you ever feel stuck when drawing eyes, this video will give you a solid starting point.